Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Honorable Memurti Ayu Widayanti as my lecturer. Please let me introduce myself. My name is Frida Hayukinanti. My student number is 222-317-0128. I'm from 7B, English Education Department. In this occasion, I would like to present my research proposal, that is, the use of ReadWorks as reading learning media of the 11th grade language students at Mandua, Kota Serang. As we know, in this 21st century and in Industrial Revolution 4.0 era, the development of technology is increasing rapidly. So, every teachers have to be able to utilize the technology appropriately for their teaching. It's said by Harto 2018, and based on Makarim 2020, in this pandemic era, the learning activities, that means online and distance learning, are not optimal until now. Nufriyasari 2020 claimed that the learning media that used is not variable. Many teachers just only use one or several media such as WhatsApp, Google Classroom, Google Form, Edmodo, and Atraxa. But this all is only a platform for teachers attach the learning materials. So, if the teacher didn't attach any document, their students will not learning anything. This point becomes my reason to choose ReadWorks as research object because it is not only a platform but also the learning material sources for reading. Next is the formulation of the problems in my research. The first is, how is the use of ReadWorks of the 11th grade language students at Mandua, Kota Serang? And the second is, what are the reflections of the use of ReadWorks as reading learning media of the 11th grade language students at Mandua, Kota Serang? And for the objectives of my research, the first is to find out the process of the use of ReadWorks of 11th grade language students at Mandua, Kota Serang, and the second is to find out the reflections of the use of ReadWorks as reading learning media of the 11th grade language students at Mandua, Kota Serang. For chapter 2 of literature review for reading, Hermer 2002 said that when the learners read a text, they spread range of receptive skills. This ability makes interaction both of linguistic and the knowledge. For reading learning media, Lee 2015 claimed that the use of multimedia in reading is able to improve the memory and the learning achievement and satisfaction. And for ReadWorks, based on Shell 2019, ReadWorks provides free resources consist of non-fiction and literary articles, reading comprehension, and vocabulary curricular. And for the chapter 3, the methodology of my research is using case study, that is qualitative research design. And for research participants, I choose using purposive sampling technique. Those are the 30 of language students of 11th grade at Mandua, Kota Serang. For data collecting techniques, I prefer to choose observation, interview, and documentation for online or offline learning. Those data will analyze into 3 techniques. The first is data reduction. It is for categorizing data into small groups and deleting data that's not relevant. The second is data display. It is for simplifying the data. And the third is verification or conclusion. It is to describe what is the finding in the research. For the credibility of the data is using triangulate technique. It is for collaborating the all of 3 datas. Okay, that's all from my presentation. I'm very sorry if any disturbing background and any mistakes from me. I'm looking forward to hear from you if any comment and suggestion for my research proposal. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.